Namaskar. I am Dr. Murali Manohar. Welcome to Ayurveda Samhita. In this program, you are going to learn about an important topic and some powerful ancient Ayurvedic secrets. These can change your entire life forever.
Allergies. According to Ayurvedic Samprapti, pathogenesis, allergies are a doshic reaction to a specific allergen, such as pollen, dust, chemicals on a rug, ragweed, or any strong chemical smell. These allergic reactions are classified as Vata type, Pitta type, and Kapha type. Vata type allergies are characterized by bloating of the stomach, gastric discomfort, or even intestinal colic. A Vata allergy may lead to sudden wheezing, sneezing, headache, ringing in the ears, or insomnia. For example, some individuals, when exposed to dust or pollen, suddenly start wheezing. The wheezing is due to narrowing of the bronchial tree due to Vata dosha. That person may also experience insomnia and other Vata type symptoms. In a Pitta type of allergy, Pitta dosha is already present under the skin. If the person comes in contact with an allergen, such as chemicals, ragweed, or certain synthetic fibers, then the Pitta penetrates through the capillaries due to its hot and sharp qualities and creates a rash, itching, hives, urticaria, allergic dermatitis, or eczema. All Pitta type allergic reactions. Kapha allergies are often experienced during spring season, when plants and trees shed their pollens into the atmosphere. When the pollens are inhaled, they enter the nasal respiratory passage, and in some people they irritate the delicate mucous membrane, leading to hay fever, colds, congestion, a cough, sinus infection, and even asthma. In order to treat allergies effectively, first we have to find out whether it is Vata, Pitta, or Kapha type. Then we can determine the specific line of treatment. In most cases, perhaps 80%, your Prakriti constitution predicts your allergy proneness. That is, there is usually a correspondence between a person's constitution and the type of allergic reaction. A person of Pitta Prakriti is more likely to have a Pitta allergic reaction, especially when the Vikruti or current status of the system shows a Pitta imbalance. But it may also happen that due to diet, environmental conditions, emotional factors, or other causes, a Kapha person may have a Vata imbalance, and so forth. Treatment for Vata type allergies. Vasti. One of the most effective remedies for Vata type allergies is a Dashamulati Vasti enema. Boil 1 tablespoon of the herbal compound Dashamula in 1 pint of water for 5 minutes to make a tea. Cool it, strain it, and use the liquid as an enema. Vata symptoms, such as wheezing, sneezing, dryness of the throat, dryness of the colon leading to distension, constipation, and abdominal discomfort, can be immediately corrected by this Dashamulati Vasti. Herbal remedies. Use this herbal formula. Ashwagandha 1 part, Bala 1 part, Vidari 1 part. Mix these herbs in equal proportion, and take 1/4 teaspoon of the powder 3 times a day, washed down with warm water, to relieve Vata allergies. To soothe an extreme wheezing condition, make 1 cup of either ginger or licorice tea, boiling 1 teaspoon of the herb for about 3 minutes in 1 cup of water. Then add 5 to 10 drops of Mahanarayan oil, mix thoroughly, and take 1 sip every 10 to 15 minutes. If you do not have Mahanarayan oil, you can substitute 1/2 teaspoon of plain ghee. Treatment for Pitta type allergies. Herbal remedies. This herbal formula is effective to pacify Pitta. Shatavari 8 parts, Kamadada 1/2 part, Gaduchi 1 part, Shankabhasma 1/4 part. Take 1/2 teaspoon of this mixture 2 or 3 times a day after meals, with a little warm water. For hives, rash, urticaria, dermatitis, or eczema, Apply neem oil or tikta bitter ghee on the skin. Blood purification. Traditionally, Ayurveda has suggested that individuals with high pitta, who are prone to developing pitta-type problems such as sunburn in the summer season, do rakta moksha, or bloodletting, before the onset of the summer. It has proven to be an effective preventive and healing measure. To make use of it today, you might consider donating about 1/2 pint or 100 cc's of blood to a blood bank that will help to diffuse pitta conditions such as allergic dermatitis and allergic eczema. To produce a similar effect, you can use a blood cleansing herbal combination. For example, mix the herbs manjastha and neem in equal amounts. Manjastha 1 part, neem 1 part. Take 1/2 teaspoon of this mixture 3 times a day with warm water after meals. It will cleanse the blood and help to heal pitta-type allergies. Treatment for kapha-type allergies. Herbal remedies. Kapha allergies generally take the form of respiratory pulmonary congestion, cough, cold, asthma, or hay fever. For relief from these conditions, use the following herbal formula. Sitopalati 4 parts, Yashti Madhu 4 parts, Abrak Bhasma 1/4 part. Take about 1/4 teaspoon of this mixture 3 times a day with honey. Purgation therapy. Kapha-type allergies occur when excess kapha collects in the stomach and lungs. One way to relieve this congestion is purgation therapy Virakana. Use flaxseed oil available in most natural food stores, and take 1 teaspoon 2 or 3 times a day for 2 or 3 days. This will be quite effective. Or you can use Triphala, vomiting therapy. The Ayurvedic therapy that is particularly effective for removing excess kapha from the stomach and respiratory tract is Vamana, or vomiting therapy. If you want to try it, the procedure is to drink a stomachful of licorice tea in salt water and then to regurgitate it, emptying the stomach. Start by drinking several cups of licorice tea, followed by a pint of water with about 1 teaspoon of salt mixed in. Drink enough to fill your stomach, then rub the back of the tongue and vomit it out. Important caution: if you have high blood pressure, low blood pressure, hiatal hernia, or a history of heart problems, do not do Vaman therapy. Healing guidelines for all types of allergies. Use Triphala. For all 3 types of allergies, one can take 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of Triphala at night. Triphala acts as both a laxative and a purgative. It consists of 3 herbs, Amalaki, Bibhutaki, and Haritaki. Haritaki works on Vata Dasha, Amalaki on Pitta Dasha, and Bibhutaki on Kapha Dasha. Dietary changes. For Vata allergy, follow a Vata soothing diet. For Pitta type of allergy, the Pitta pacifying diet. And for Kapha allergy, the Kapha reducing diet. Watch your food combinations. It is important for individuals with allergies not to eat incompatible food combinations, such as milk and yogurt, meat and dairy, poultry and dairy, melon and grains, or fruits and grains. Avoid such things as banana milkshakes and fruit smoothies made with milk. Avoid the cause. For most allergies, one should try to avoid the immediate cause, the allergen. People who are allergic to cats, dogs, hair, pollen, mold, and so on should simply try to avoid them. Also try to stay away from synthetic fibers such as polyester and rayon, which can cause pitta-type skin allergies. It is best to wear cotton clothing. Because of the large quantity of pesticides routinely sprayed on cotton, you might consider using only organic cotton products, though they tend to be more expensive. Block the allergens. Generally, the respiratory passage is open to dust and other allergens. One way to minimize the effect of allergens that you can't avoid is to lubricate the nasal mucous membrane with ghee. This prevents direct contact of the allergen with the mucous membrane. Use neem oil. Another way to reduce or avoid the effect of environmental allergens is to apply neem oil to the exposed part of the body. The presence of the oil on the skin, as well as the disinfectant properties of neem, will minimize contact with the allergen. Note: use neem herbalized oil. That is, Neem leaves cooked in a base of sesame or another oil. Pure neem extract will be too strong. If you find that even this herbalized neem oil is too strong and creates an itching or burning sensation, mix it half and half with coconut oil. Meditate for stress reduction. Most allergies are stress related. Because of stress, imbalance is created in mind and body. The practice known as empty bowl meditation helps to restore balance and thus helps take care of stress-related allergies. Yoga postures. The most helpful yoga asana for kapha and vata allergies is the sun salutation. For pitta allergies, do the moon salutation. Breathing exercises. Alternate nostril breathing is effective for respiratory allergies such as hay fever, wheezing, and sneezing. Bastrika, breath of fire, is good for kapha-type congestive allergies. Also, Ajjayi pranayama helps to improve immunity and is beneficial for all types of allergies. Ayurvedic treatment plan. Please keep in mind that these are all common home remedies and first aid measures. If the problem continues, even after using these remedies, then you need to come for personal examination and Ayurvedic body type evaluation. In Ayurveda, there are excellent and powerful medicines for this condition. The best suitable drugs are selected basing on your individual body type and prescribed along with personalized diet and lifestyle modifications.
So, hope you have enjoyed this topic and enlightened. In the next program, we will meet with another interesting and important topic. Satam Jiva, Sarado Vardhamanaha. Satam Hemantan, Satam Vasantan. Live over 100 years old with excellent health and complete happiness. Subham.
Dr. Chirumamilla Murali Manohar, MD, Ayurvedam, Raksha Ayurvedic Center, Sardi Studios Road, opposite State Home, Amirpet, Hyderabad 73. Phone 9177445454.